Morning. How you doing today?
Good.
I'm Alex with Town & Country Services. Is my van parked okay?
Yes, it's great.
All right, perfect. Just want to make sure before we get started. So I'm here today for your AC cleaning check. All right, get that lowered. I'll make sure to get that back up before I leave today. That's what your return area is sitting at, so what you're supplying. We usually want to see between 15 and 20 degrees. I like to go outside now, get the air conditioner all cleaned up, make sure all your electrical components are in there. Herm, common fan controls the fan, Herm controls the compressor, and then common just runs the power. Nice meeting you.